ngiyazi vele iqiniso abalifuna abantu uma ukukhuluma bakuthuka kulungile anginankinga nokuthuka mina. I will talk the truth no matter what, and I will tell as is. Tomorrow legislature KwaZulu-Natal will establish committees as per our rules of order, but the same rules of order Rule 195 uthi the House must by resolution establish committees within 7 days after election of the Speaker and Deputy Speaker. Now, Deputy Speaker no Speaker, they were elected on 14 June. Namhlanje 8. Tomorrow 9 July. Khane bezo establish ama committee. Okusho ukuthi they are already in breach of their own rules. Okumele ba protect ba implement. That's the first thing. Yokuthi already this grand coalition is failing to execute umsebenzi o expected kuwona. Sometimes it kuba a problem when parties come together because also weaken the opposition. Because the opposition is strong. Fangabe already raise these things. Yokuthi ama athina ama rules. Now, enye inkinga ekhona manje engicabanga banayo, and I know ukuthi abalele they don't know bazokwenza kanjani. Khona inkinga kumele babhekane nayo. Leyo ukuthi awukwazi ukushintsha ukuthi iMK majority emakomitini ngoba Rule 142 wama rules uthi members ekomiti ziba 11 and lezo member kumele ikhethwe proportionally from the house, and umuzobala proportionally from the house kusho ukuthi MK remain the majority whether you like it or not. Ngiyazi mhlawumbe tonight ba busy bayazama ukuthi how they gonna rob MK nayo ke mayilele bazoyiroba, kodwa iMK uma izosebenzisa ama rules to fight for ama rights abo bazokwazi ukwavikela ngoba ama rules abanika majority emakomitini. Now inkinga enkulu ukuthi the grand coalition may want to elect ohlalo bamakomiti kuba babo, which is possible uma bezokwenza in the house. Because I think rule 146 uyabavumela ukuthi you can elect uhlalo in the house or by a committee. Now ngokujwayelekile ukhethwa ikomiti engacabangi ukuthi the grand coalition ingenza ubudomu bokuthi ivume uhlalo akhethwa ikomiti ngoba kuyobe kusho ukuthi uhlalo uzokhethwa iMK and iMK will have majority emakomitini. Oqala lokho kodwa enye dilemma ezoba khona ukuya phambili ngakhuluma about stability of our government. Abanye bangithuka ke bethe na I'm taking side as if I'm supporting MK to be power. Cha, I support MK. Mina ngikhuluma ama facts. Proportionally, the MK will become a majority emakomitini unless beyirobile. Now, okusho ukuthi inqumo zeMK zizoba nezwi emakomitini uma na izokwazi ukusifaka abantu abavulile la. Ngoba uzobe kusho ukuthi iMK have more voice ekomitini. iMK can block ama decision ekomitini ngoba ine majority. Yingakho ngithi the formation of government through minority uba nenkinga ukuya phambili ngoba njengamanje uma bezo implement ama rules as is kunika MK ama powers ekomitini. Now these committees must take decisions kwesinye isikhathi recommend we house iqiniso ukuthi njengamanje noma bengabaroba uhlalo beshintshe ukhethwe ishamthetho kodwa iMK remain the majority. Engakwazi ukuthi bazoyiroba kanjani ukuthi ingabi majority in the house, because enye into for example iNFP can't have a member manje emakomitini because MEC oko MEC can't be a members of committees. Angazi bazo kanjani kodwa kuMK ukuvula amehlo babona sabarotshwa, but this government ngeke kube stable ngoba amakomiti azobe ranwa abantu abayi opposition